this is Nerf Battle 2. The rules are simple. When you get hit in the vest, it only counts if you get hit in the numbers. Once you get hit in the numbers and the total is 50, you are dead. The number's on your vest, smart Alec. You can only take the darts off your vest if they do not hit on the bullseyes. There is no grabbing weapons. There is no taking the dart with your hand and sticking on your opponent's vest. And there is no grabbing their weapons so they can't hit you. Now suit up and grab your weapons.
That was mine. No, it isn't. No, who's the green one?
You decided on this before we started shooting, guys.
Yeah, we know. It's just we like to argue.
I can see that.
It's stupid. Shall we do that again, Kate?
Matthew, don't put your gun in my face.
Not my butt. My butt would be if I took my pants off. In the fist. And I will not do that just for your...
Matt, can we censor this?
What?
Can we censor this?
What does that mean?
Just shut up and quit talking about your butt.
Okay.
Okay, everybody, go find your hiding spots.
Awesome hiding spot right here.
Furthermore, there are no teams. You may form temporary alliances if you wish, but there are no teams. Furthermore, there is no hiding your vest. It must always be seen so that the opponent can shoot it.
So you can't do it like this?
No, that is illegal.
Aww.
Is everybody ready? Corey, that is illegal. Can't hide behind the glass.
Yeah, you give the opponents the illusion that you're open, but you're not. And you can't lay on your stomach because that's not fair. No one can reach your vest.
Are we all clear?
Yes? Yeah.
Is everybody ready?
I'm not clear about the stomach rule.
You can't lay down on your stomach and fire, because then if they shoot at you, they can't hit your vest. Is everybody ready?
Yes, sir.
Begin.
Sam, get your goggles. I don't care about goggles. Fine, you care about your eyes? Yeah. Oh! Sam! What? Temporary alliance.
Okay.
He has to agree to it.
Cameron.
What?
Sam!
Cameron.
Oh, Sam! Jake.
Cameron, there's one more rule that I think I might want to do.
What?
These things are not very accurate. No, Cam, you gotta move around.
Don't have to.
Follow me.
If you guys are all over there, I get the best angle from over here.
That Cameron, if you
Corey, turn around.
somebody in the face or something.
Corey, turn around.
If Cameron,
You got hit in the 50. You are dead.
You got 200s.
Okay, Matt. You versus Sam now.
Cameron,
He's hiding his vest.
if somebody
You're up against the wall.
knocks them in the wrong part, that's really that it hurts them, then
Grace, we're not doing that.
they go out.
Grace, we're not doing that.
Oh my gosh.
Those things were mini lasers. Mini lasers. Mini lasers. Is there any way I can get my ball? No.
You can get up, but you're out, Corey.
Okay. Mini lasers. I'm already dead. If you're playing the game, mini lasers. Mini lasers. Mini lasers.
Corey, can I use the bullets in your gun?
No. Mini lasers. Mini lasers.
Ah!
Lasers.
Hey, mini lasers, could you knock it off? Foul, Matt. Illegal. Minus 10 points. You're at 40.
No, if anybody hits these mini
And how am I at 40?
they're dead.
I deducted 10 points from you because you grabbed his gun. I said that was illegal.
Hey, Matthew.
Ah, split!
Matthew.
That's you're at 30 now. You hit his gun.
Matthew. Matthew.
No!
Sam. Matthew. Sammy's in here.
See, Matt.
Oh, by the way, Matthew, I've got 2 bullets for for you.
Nice throw. I know.
Oh! Matthew, shoot Sam! Get him! Oh, you had him in the back.
Ah! This is. Coach, just let me use your gun.
No.
He's out. You can't use his.
Coach, give me all the bullets.
No.
You weren't even using them.
You guys decided to team up on him. You got to live with the consequences.
I'll team up with you next time, Corey.
Oh, that's two.
I'll team up with you, Corey. You have to use the darts, the sticky darts.
Corey, you're out. Remember?
Mini laser. Take all of him.
Actually, Matthew, if you won, I'd let you share a health point, but you'd go down, but he'd be back in.
How much health do I have left?
30.
How much would it take to get him in?
As many as you want.
10 points, Corey.
Okay, Corey's back in. He has 10. Matthew has 20. Sam still has 50.
Oh!
Corey is out again.
Tag on it.
There's another 10 points of life I won't be getting back.
Okay, Corey, you are back in. You and Matt both have 10 points of life now.
What?
You had 20. You had 30. You gave 10 to him, and then you went down to 20.
I didn't say I was going to revive him again.
You said there's another 10 points of life I want to get back.
No, I mean, like, when Sam just kills him.
Okay, Corey, never mind. You are out. Corey, you are out. You may help Grace if you wish, but you are out.
Stink.
There's a mini laser, but you can touch them.
Take him around the gun. Grace, cut it out.
These idiots couldn't hit the side of a barn.
Oh, you guys, 2 bullets. 3 extra bullets.
Grace, only throw dirt bag bullets for us.
There's 2 green ones. Actually, just a regular one and a green one. If anybody shoots at me, I will use my umbrella. That's my umbrella.
Yeah, very ammo.
Your umbrella.
You guys have been duking it out for 8 minutes now.
What?
Can we supposed to protect themselves?
We're 8 minutes in, and Sam has the upper hand. Sam has 50. Matt still has 20.
Can I please help it to protect that? That's my umbrella. Well, I never did it.
He's hiding his vest. That's not fair.
Sam, how is he hiding his vest, Matt?
He keeps like turning his back to me.
Sam,
No, I'm turning like this.
but are you shooting at him at the same time?
Yes.
Then you lose 10 points. Sam has 40. Matt has 20.
I'm gonna get 10.
No, he said he didn't revive Corey. I misinterpreted that.
Ah!
But I'm still defending you gave me the umbrella back. I appreciate you gave me the umbrella
No,
back.
no, my bullet.
Really, Gracie, you're crying over the umbrella.
Move!
Well, you always get
You
quick.
smacked me with your gun. So it's because I tripped over Grace's carcass. Ah! You did.
Sam is winner. That is match.